most crazy, fabulous experience.
Now here we are at Hudson Yards to go to tack room, so let's go upstairs. Here it is. Baby's wearing her Prada shoes and her Balenciaga bag. Oh gosh, meat. Oh wow. Hi. It is, and quiet. There's no yelling.
Have him make you some truffle pasta too.
Oh yes.
He's incredible.
So are you?
Oh no, not.
Oh, that is insane. Does it smell like truffles?
Hello, good morning, how are you? Nice to see you as well. Come.
3 in 5 minutes. 5. Ready, my cousin?
Parker House rolls for you. They're a cross between a brioche and a pretzel. And this is our butter press. It was designed by Martin Kastner of Crucial Detail. And the butter comes from the Vermont Creamery. Yes.
That is so cool.
To drink, we're going to have the club soda with bitters.
Sometimes things are so pretty that you just don't even want to mess them up.
Yeah.
This is from a creamery in Vermont, and it was these tiny little pieces of butter, and then she pushed this down, and the butter came out just perfectly nice and soft.
We didn't go to Vermont before, baby.
No, I went to Vermont a long time ago.
Evening we have here vegetable crudité, creme fraiche, a little bit of dill oil, cheddar sticks, and grissini's with a touch of parmesan.
Oh my
Thank you.
God.
Thank you. It's really, really yummy. This is Thomas Keller's restaurant, the tack room, Bouchon Bakery. We went to the original Bouchon Bakery in Napa during the San Francisco trip. Obviously, you would expect the bread to be pretty special and fabulous and yummy, and it is, and the butter is great. I could just have this, but then we have all this to try too.
Okay.
Our avocado Louis, come with a Russian dressing, and a nice little selection of seasonal vegetables. It's been cooked down in a vegetable-based stock. We're serving across the top of English walnuts, minus the boquerones, since you don't eat fish. And then we're doing a piquillo pepper aioli on the side, little sweetie peppers, and some celery fronds.
Baby, don't you just love every single song that's played so far?
Love the playlist. Love the atmosphere. The breadsticks are so good. Got like Parmesan all over.
We would love to shave additional truffle on your
Oh my goodness, Thomas, you came to see us.
I did.
That is so cool.
Ladies, please enjoy.
Thank you. Now it's time to taste the truffle pasta.
Okay, let me just say this is the most crazy, fabulous experience. Somehow we met George, the maitre d'. He's just delightful. And then he said, well, do you want to see the kitchen? So we got to go into the kitchen, which was just crazy, spotless. And now everyone is coming by and saying hello. The last person, her name was Lucy. She was so cute. And then some other people, Thomas from the kitchen and another very important person came, and they shaved the truffles at the table. And then Lucy, adorable Lucy, came and spoke. We're just making all kinds of new friends, so it's very exciting. Back to business. Now we taste. Put down the camera, taste it. It's so good. Oh, it's time to go out and see the sunset.
Back in the kitchen with Thomas.
See, this is the picture.
I never get to use a knife like this because I never need it. So I always just have the butter knife because I don't eat meat. So right now I'm about to taste a vegan chop. Now, okay, it's spumoni time. Are we we ready? It's dessert. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Going down into all the layers. Oh wow. And the bottoms even has a crunchy shell. Oh my gosh, how do I eat this all at one time?
Oh, wow.
These are compliments of tackroom.
Oh my
No
lord.
way.
Thank you.
Yeah, ready or not, ladies.
Wow.
gosh.
Thank you so much. Oh my god. This spumoni is insane. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video on the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel. We visited Tackroom tonight. I literally could sit there forever. It had the best music, the best food, the best service.
The best view
View.
of the
Oh
sunset.
yeah.
That was incredible. And they just kept bringing fabulous food.
I know.
Really fabulous food, beginning to end. And then as we're leaving, they handed us more of this unbelievable, their famous salty caramel.
Like, comment, let us know what else you want to see from us. Head to our website to subscribe to our newsletter so that you can stay up to date.
And go to the tack room at Hudson Yards, Thomas Keller's restaurant.
Yes.
Unbelievably fabulous.
Follow us on Instagram, The Style That Binds Us, Delia Folk, and Alison Broom. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will see you next time. Bye. It's time for us to go to bed because we're so tired, baby.
So full, too.
Oh, yes, so full.
Alrighty. Ciao.
Arrivederci.